Oh, we're starting out the gate today. Out the fucking gate. That's what we're doing. Is that closer for you? Do you like it this close? Freak.
Hello. Welcome to the Victorian Students. I'm an android and I'll be your hostess.
I'm going to make that 5,000
let's make some
channel
adjustments
points.
to
If y'all
optimize
don't
your experience.
Quit. You're scaring me. Yes. Making large as hell. Large as hell.
Please adjust your screen settings.
The fuck are you looking at me like that for? Okay, done. We're done. We're done. You don't have to. Why? What the